Alright, this is the famous, annoying freight elevator at King of Prussia Mall. This is in the pavilion at Loading Dock C. I'm doing a second take of this 3 years later because the original take, the doors were messed up. As we all know, door close button does not work. It's probably not even wired up. And that's where the voice used to come out of. I don't know if they disconnected it or if it just broke on its own. Strobe light still works. This was an Otis Esco, or Otis installed by Esco. The original panel is over here. It had GAL Jet Plus. This is a twin to Short Hills, I believe. Could be mistaken about that. We'll take a couple rides on this thing. If you come out here, obviously door close doesn't work, door open doesn't work. GIL lantern, you can ring it with the down button. This thing is just so violently malaise, it's crazy. Schindler didn't even do this, Amtech did this mod. So the outer doors are Corian. They are original. The motors are not. They were replaced in 2001 when the mod took place. And then the gate is a replacement. It's a Peely power gate. This thing's always had some form of graffiti in it. That's how you know this had Jet Plus, because this is Jet Plus. That's original and doesn't work anymore. EPCO SSL. This is elevator 2, 6,000 pound capacity. And this is why I stood to the side for the first 2 rides up and down, because if you stand in the middle, I can't get the entire elevator in the full frame. This is how large it is. Also, I just noticed the light panels are missing. I wonder how long they've been gone for. I'll show you the Corian sticker on the doors. If you push door open in there, it'll cancel the strobe, but if you push it now, it won't do anything. The machine room is in here. It's locked. I already checked. Now, where is it? It used to be here, but up on 2 and 3, there would be a sticker that says Corian power doors or security door. They're both the same. So it would be right there. But anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed.